Right now, we'd like to play a couple little songs. We'll start off with a very old tune titled September in the Rain. The leaves of brown came tumbling down, remember, in September, in the rain. That sun went out just like a dying ember, in September, in the rain. To every word of love I heard you whisper, the raindrops seemed to play a sweet refrain. Though spring is here, to me it's still September. Oh, September, in the rain. September, in the rain. That sun went out just like a dying ember, in September, in the rain. Every word of love I heard you whisper, the raindrops seemed to play a sweet refrain. Though spring is here, to me it's still September. Oh, September, in the rain. How's that? That's a really old-timey tune. We're gonna do an old one made popular around 1935 at this time, titled Wahoo! Give me a horse, a great big horse, and give me a buckaroo. Let me wahoo, wahoo. Give me a ranch and a big pair of pants, and give me a Stetson too, so I can wahoo, wahoo. Give me those wide open spaces, 'cause I'm just like a prairie flower, growing wilder every hour. Give me a moon, a prairie moon, and give me a gal what's true, so I can wahoo, wahoo. Why did the wildcats get so wild? They didn't know what to do. They couldn't wahoo, wahoo. And why did old Chief Sitting Bull sit around feeling blue? He couldn't wahoo, wahoo, wahoo. The world has wahooed for ages. Why some like to wahoo soft and low, others holler and let her go. Why did Zulu's warriors lose the battle of Timbuktu? They couldn't wahoo, wahoo. It's very good when you're calling pigs, also good when a bad man jigs. Lay me to rest out in the west, but make it a May West view, so I can wahoo, wahoo, wahoo. I wanna wahoo, 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 wahoo. Wahoo! Wahoo! You're hot tonight. Wahoo!